Today we're making Italian Fritto Misto Di Mare. It takes about 35 minutes and serves 4 people. Let's get that light, crispy seafood going. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 500 grams of cleaned squid for tender rings, 400 grams of raw shrimp, peeled with tails on for easy grabbing, 300 grams of small white fish, like anchovies or smelt, cleaned for quick frying, 200 grams of Italian 00 flour for a fine, light coating, 100 grams of fine semolina to boost crunch, 2 teaspoons of fine sea salt, divided for seasoning the flour and finishing, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for gentle heat, 1 liter of peanut oil for deep frying, 2 lemons cut into wedges for serving, 15 grams of finely chopped fresh parsley for a fresh finish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse 500 grams of clean squid, 400 grams of shrimp, and 300 grams of small fish under cold water. Drain thoroughly and pat everything very dry with paper towels. Slice the squid tubes into 1 centimeter rings and keep the tentacles whole. In a large bowl, whisk 200 grams of 00 flour, 100 grams of fine semolina, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. From the total of 2 teaspoons of salt, reserve the remaining 1 teaspoon for finishing. Pour 1 liter of peanut oil into a wide, heavy pot and heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit over medium-high heat. Dredge a handful of squid rings in the flour and semolina mixture, then shake off any excess coating. Fry the squid in small batches for 2 to 3 minutes until pale golden and just crisp. Do not overcrowd the pot. Transfer the fried squid to a rack or paper towels to drain and let the oil come back to 350 degrees Fahrenheit between batches. Dredge 400 grams of shrimp in the flour mixture and shake off the excess. Fry the shrimp in small batches for about 2 minutes until they turn pink and the edges are crisp. Dredge 300 grams of small fish in the flour mixture and shake off any excess. Fry the small fish for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and crisp, then drain them on paper towels. Combine all the fried seafood in a large bowl and sprinkle with the remaining 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Toss gently to coat evenly. Add 15 grams of chopped parsley and toss once more. Serve immediately on a warm platter with wedges from 2 lemons. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Fritto Misto, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tasty videos.